Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called My Allosaur Has Lost His Roar by Elwyb Tate. My Allosaur has lost his roar. He's been like this all week. He stamps, he stomps, he chews, he chomps, snap. He roars, then roars a tiny squeak. My Allosaur has lost his roar. Squeak! And it's getting worse and worse. Squeak! We went to see the doctor. Squeak! But he hid behind the nurse. Help! A dinosaur! My dinosaur has lost his roar and he's feeling sad and blue. Without his roar, this dinosaur is grumpy through and through. But it never used to be this way. Roar! He used to roar all the night and roar and day. He'd roar at stones. Roar! Wait, I'm gonna make a prediction. So my prediction will be that the dinosaur lost his roar because he's been roaring too much. So he probably just lost his voice. He'd roar at sticks. Roar! He'd roar when he did magic tricks. Abracadabra! Roar! It was the thing he did best, and he never seemed to take a rest. Roar, roar, roar! But then one day there was a change. He sounded odd. He sounded strange. His roar was stuffed. Then his roar was weak. Then his roar became a squeak. I think I know what's wrong with you. You roar too much. That's what you do. So if you want to roar for longer, we'll need to make your voice much stronger. But lucky I know a trick to fix a roar and fix it quick. So walk this way, it won't take long. We'll sing the special roaring song. Fa la la, fa la loo, roaring fun for me and you. Squeak, tra-la-la, tra-la-lee. Can you roar along with me? Squeak, don't give up and try. Get your roar back, don't be shy. Grr, one last time, you can do it. Roar once more, there's nothing to it. Roar! My Allosaur has found his roar. Roar, roar! His troubles have been banished. But the only problem is now my Brontosaurus berry has vanished. So I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!